Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the vehicle model, year, and lock type so you pick the right approach. This prevents wasted attempts. Once done, open the kit and lay out the wedge, long-reach tool, tension wrench, and inflatable bladder in order of use. Insert a slim wedge gently at the upper door seam to create a small gap. Make sure to protect paint with soft cloth. Do this steadily. Rushing risks bending rods or ripping weather strips, which adds repair time and cost. Once you have a gap, place the inflatable bladder and pump slowly until the opening is about 0. 5 to 1 centimeter, this gives access without stressing the seal. Next, feed the long-reach tool past the weather strip and locate the actuator rod, interior handle, or window switch. Visual cues or a small flashlight help here. Make sure to apply light, constant tension with the wrench on the lock because tension creates feedback. When you feel resistance shift, manipulate the target mechanism deliberately to trigger the lock. You finish by retracting tools slowly, deflating the bladder and checking that seals sit correctly to avoid leaks. Then test the lock and handle several times. If you haven't succeeded within 10 to 15 minutes, change tactics. Try accessing via trunk, retrieve a spare key, or use an electronic fob relearn if available. If plastic panels flex or the actuator won't budge, stop forcing it. Reposition the wedge slightly and reapply precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.